What's up, I'm Troubleshoot. In this quick video, I'll be showing you how to get ingots in Palworld. This is actually your first metal resource and it's incredibly easy to get your hands on. In your base, you'll need to head across to your technology tree and all the way near the start of it, at around level 10, you'll find the primitive furnace. This is what you need to start your metalworking journey, and at level 11 you can craft improved pickaxes, axes, etc. This is the starting point of your whole journey and you'll need flame organs, stone and wood. Stone and wood are very easy to collect, but flame organs are a bit more confusing in order for you to get. They're still very easy though. What you want to do is run around your world and locate flame animals such as arsoxes, which drop flame organs, or more likely in the starting area, foxparks, which also drop flame organs. If you head across to the habitat section on your PAL deck, you'll see the spawn locations for these include mostly the starting area over here at the lower half of the hill, as well as this island, this, and this little section over here around the hill. Once you have yourself all the flame organs, research the furnace and place one down from your build menu, followed by production. On the first section, you'll find the primitive furnace. Once you've placed one down, you can interact with it, and in here, you'll find charcoal as well as ingots. Ingots are mainly what you're looking for and require 2 ore each in order to craft one of them. In order to actually get your primitive furnace to work, you'll need to tame and have a creature that has the Kindling ability. This includes the previously mentioned foxparks, so capture one of these and you'll have Kindling level 1. However, if you navigate further into the world, such as these locations over here, you'll find yourself a few arsoxes. If you capture these, you get Kindling level 2, which pretty much doubles your production speed. When you place one down at your base or have one equipped, scroll across to it and throw it down by your furnace, it'll start interacting with your furnace, crafting you some ingots. That's it. It's very simple. Now that you know how to craft them, where exactly do we find ore? Well, in order to get our 2 ore required to make 1 ingot, you'll need to navigate around your world until you find locations like this one over here. These are ores that you'll be mining up using either your starter or an upgraded pickaxe. They're very quick to collect. On the base tier, taking about, 16 hits per one of the 3 levels. On the second tier of pickaxes, it takes about 8 hits per tier, so there's 3. And then finally on this third version, which is the refined metal pickaxe, which you'll be getting much later on, it takes around 4 hits to break one single level, allowing you to collect a ton of ore really quickly. There are a few locations, other than finding these randomly sprinkled around the entire map, where you'll find these as hotspots. The first major location you'll find is over here in this red forest by this abandoned or desolate church over here. Just to the east, there's a huge deposit of ore that you can collect and it respawns very quickly. On top of this, up north over here in this section, you'll find another huge deposit, which is the one that we're at now, with a really good place to stick your base next to it. Anyways, that's how to get ingots in Palworld. It's relatively simple and hopefully you found some of these tips really useful. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.